This is how we do it. Look at that. Nature is life. You know, you can feel a bit of the deposit of the leaves, you know, the taste in the water. I want to meet you. Friend is saying, Enam. So guys, we are going to fetch water. This is the village type of going to fetch water. So everything you are seeing, all the path you are seeing, this is exactly how some people fetch water in the village. Let's go. Look at that. Water. In search of water. The same water that you have, that you used to flush and wash your cars. This is what someone have to go through to go and get water. Look at the environment. Look at that. Let's go. Look at that. Look at the environment. Water. Now, I think we are almost close. Wow. Oh, into here soon. Oh, okay. Did I move to me coffee? I am not to me, sir. Wow. So guys, this is a typical method of how some people get water in the village. Listen to me. All the places you saw me walk through, this is just in search of water. Now, after all the distance, now this is where the water is. And this is how we fetch it. This is a typical village way of fetching water. It's not like you in Accra or US somewhere that you have clean water and then you just open your tap and then you are good to go. So let's see. So
my gallon weighs so
put your gallon inside like that. Put your gallon inside like this until the gallon is full. Gallon will happen. So you see, I have my water. Now, we are going to carry this water on our head. The same distance. Listen, you never know what you have until you lose it. This water is big. It goes all Fatron. It goes all around, in this whole forest. But this is one source or one outlet of the water, and then we are fetching it from here. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Water is life. So guys, I am now coming to drink the village water to see how it tastes like. So if you want to fetch, you use your calabash or whatever you have, and make sure that all the leaves are not on it, that you are getting the clean one. Look at this. Look at the color of the water. See? You see? So now I'm coming to drink. This is pure raw water without any chemicals. Let me taste. Wow. This is pure, clean, undiluted, pure nature water. You can feel a bit of the deposit of the leaves, the taste in the water. This is raw and organic. Man, this is pure water, like real natural water. Look at that. Look at that. And look at the color of the water. Look at that. Nature is life. Okay. Go. Go. No, go. So guys, this is how we do it. Typical way. So we are going to climb the mountain, all in search of water. Wow. Man, it's not easy. What? It's not easy. It's not easy, guys. I couldn't continue. What? These guys are doing well. Trust me.